Hey guys, and welcome to this video on Big O. So Big O is a symbol that expresses the runtime or memory of how quickly a function or a program grows relative to the input as the input gets arbitrarily large. And the symbol used for Big O is just the letter O. Okay, and of course you will have some function within this letter O. We'll just call it G for now. Okay, now let's look at the formal definition. So here I'm going to put the formal definition of Big O. And the formal definition says that a function we'll call it f of n. Oops. Okay, so function f of n belongs to Big O of g of n if and only if, so I'm going to use the two f's here. It means if and only if the absolute value of f of n, so that means that our function is in the positive quadrant if you were to look at it on a two-dimensional graph, grows less than or equal to some constant m, and actually m is a positive constant, times the absolute value of g of n. So that means g of n is in the positive quadrant as well whenever n is greater than k. So k is also some positive constant. All right, so I'm just going to highlight that in purple here and put in a nice square or rectangle. So this is the formal definition of Big O. And although I said that, it has some function in here, you're probably used to seeing maybe the letter n here. Okay, so when we say 5n squared is equal to Big O of n squared, what we really mean is 5n squared belongs to Big O of n squared. So Big O of n squared just contains the set of different functions. It actually contains the set of functions where those functions are less than or equal to some constant times, in this case, n squared, where n is greater than some other constant k. So what this means that our Big O of n squared contains, well, we know it contains 5n squared. It also contains, let's see, 100 n squared, and it contains n squared plus 3n plus 55. I think you can kind of see where I'm going with this. So what this means is that it contains all functions in the form of a times n squared plus b times n plus c, where a is greater than 0. Okay, and so that's basically it, guys. I hope this video helped clear up some things about Big O of n. I'm sorry, about Big O, as well as Big O of n or Big O of n squared. So thank you, guys. That's basically it. Please leave any questions you have, likes, comments. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next video.